Hi, my name is Michelle Ramirez and I'm currently pursuing a degree in Human Resource Management at the University of Negros Oriental. I am passionate about arts and caring for animals, and my diverse background includes experience as a caregiver and sales lady. Through these roles, I've developed strong organizational and time management skills, along with expertise in customer service, client care, and administrative functions. I'm also proficient in MS Office and effective communication, making me well equipped to contribute to the dynamic environment at your company. I am eager to bring my skills and passion for serving people to your team. I'll follow up with an email next week to inquire about the next steps in the selection process. But in the meantime, I'd love the opportunity to discuss how I can add value to your organization. Thank you for your time and consideration.